It's a whole role system of gifts, skills, and roles. Some people light up on stage, and some people light up behind the scenes, or sometimes some people can do both. But the goal is to recognize where your gift has room to breathe. What's up? I'm Daisy Gates, singer, songwriter, instrumentalist, and your independent music educator, and welcome back to Beyond the Stage. Creators imagine the sound, they stage the idea, they bring something new into the room. This is still music work. Organizers, guess what they do? Keep the moving pieces together. They help the plan stay clear. And they keep the music from turning into confetti on the floor. This is still music work. Technology people record, edit, design, and troubleshoot. They help the music travel from the room to the world. This is still music work. Writers give language to the feeling. They help shape the lesson, the story, and the message. This is still music work. Helpers serve the room. They support students, artists, audiences, and communities. This is still music work. Performers bring the energy forward. They help the audience feel the message in real time. This is still music work. The music ecosystem works because different gifts carry different pieces, creating, organizing, technology, writing, helping, performing. All of it has value, okay? Creating, organizing, technology, writing, helping, performing. Drop your lane in the comments, all right? I want to thank you for coming back to another episode of Beyond the Stage. Continue to stay up out there in those streets.